Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna fix my nephew's iPhone 7. So as you can see here, it broke. So the screen is pretty badly shattered, so I'm going to replace the screen on here, and on top of that, while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery as well. So as you can see, it has 87% battery health, so I may as well go ahead and replace that. Now this was at 20% just a few seconds ago, so it's already going down, so the battery on this definitely needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and get into it. You're joking. That never actually happens. Wow. That's amazing. That never happens. Ever. So my other camera died, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my iPhone, so we can go ahead and finish this up. So I have the battery in there, I have the seal somewhat prepared here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the screen back on. And then the shields, and we should be good to go. Okay, and now we're going to test it one more time to make sure everything works. So let's turn it on. Alright, we have power. That's a good sign. Alright, we got vibration motor going on there. Camera. Check our earpiece to make sure that works. Call field. Alright, earpiece works, so it looks like we're all good. So we'll go ahead and turn it off and then seal it up. So all we need to do now is pull off our seals here. And we can seat our screen inside here. We should be able to go ahead and seal it back up here. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. The screen has been replaced on this iPhone 7, so it is in perfect working order, as well as a new battery, so we are now at 100% battery health, so my nephew should be really happy with this. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this quick repair on this iPhone 7. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one.